Hello, Onana, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good. Yes, morning. That because my subscriber is getting really up very fast away. Within 5 days, I got 600 subscriber. Now
Wow.
now my
In 5 days?
yeah, in 5 days I have got 600 subscriber, and I am going to hit 22k subscriber within 3 days, and it's 21.6k subscriber.
Very nice. Is this on Facebook?
No, YouTube.
Very nice.
Yeah. Now, Winona, if I just share you something from my earlier moment of YouTubing, and every single day I didn't get one subscriber, two subscriber. It was really so much slow moment, but it happens in every single YouTuber initially. But when you will keep continue constantly, you will get improved. So don't lose your energy. My conviction is certainly you will be successful in this journey. That because it depends on 100% on your energy, on your stamina, on your striving. Everything depends on this fact as well. Okay. Well, the another things is, after uploading my earning review video, you have got so many subscriber within days. You know that? So I hope you watched that video, but you will have to say something to my audience who subscribed already to your channel. So say something to my audience in Bangla.
Hi, Bangladesh. আমাকে subscribe kamu know? আমি অনেক কৃতজ্ঞ।
All right.
দোয়া করে আমাকে সবাই subscribe করবেন।
Okay.
Queen Winona.
Yeah, you got it, cool.
Gazi, are you familiar with Mr. Beast?
100%. Who doesn't know the Mr. Beast? He is one of the biggest YouTuber in the earth. Everyone knows.
I didn't know a lot about him. Like, I always kind of thought his content was kind of cheesy and geared towards children, which makes sense because a lot of children are on YouTube. But when I learned more about him and his work ethic, and then I learned about his philanthropy projects that he does, I really started to like Mr. Beast a lot. And then I really started to look up to him.
Yeah, but he spent thousands and $1,000 behind creating a video.
And he's got so many videos. He's probably getting paid from all these videos
100%.
all the time.
Yeah, that I do think. Look, if we want to achieve any single things, not only YouTubing and Facebook, whatever, no pain, no gain, and nothing comes overnight. We will have to work hard and make some point and make a plan. What should we do to grow up our channel? And already we have got some project how to elevate our channel into the world classes. So we will do according to our project. So I hope we will be next popular person over the next few years.
I hope so.
Yeah.
And I think we'd make a great team doing it.
But we know now. I think you have kids, family, everything as well. Certainly, you will have to give the first priority to your family.
Bangladesh is a really good audience in general.
Okay, all right. If you can come in Bangladesh, so I will just inform you what to do. Just having yourself in Bangladesh, and I will make process everything as well. No worries.
Well, shoot. It would probably be a week, and it would probably have to be next year because we have Thanksgiving coming up, Christmas, New Year's, all those types of things.
100%, 100%. But it depends on you. No need to be rush. Okay.